Hi everyone, I'm Tefs. Welcome back to this channel. Today's repair is a common issue for a laptop that is not turning on and not charging. I will show you to identify the faulty components. So stay tuned. If you did not yet subscribe to this channel, please subscribe now, and don't forget to like the videos. You can also ring the bell so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. So let's get started. A laptop with no power issue is mostly the 19 volts main line is shorted. So I will set my multimeter to the continuity setting. Beep means shorted or a high resistance reading. This is the DC input and the two power DC MOSFETs. This line is 19 volts which is shorted. Every DC to DC that connects to 19 volts line is shorted. A shorted capacitor is the most cause of this issue. You can identify it in a visual examination. I spotted this capacitor has a crack on it. Let's take a closer look. This is the shorted capacitor. The shorted is gone. I am not an expert in soldering an SMD capacitor, not like the factory soldered. The important is that the capacitor is connected properly. Looks working now.
A few moments later.
The laptop is working great. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Once again, I'm Tefs. See you again next time. Bye for now.